severe thunderstorm was located near Gardy, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jessup, Gardy, Screven, Doctortown, and Broadhurst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, in severe thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, Georgia. You are listening to NOAA Web.